Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making fake nails out of foil, but before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Farron. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. Someone requested that I do this, but I cannot find the comment anywhere. If that was you, comment down below and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Cut out strips from the foil. Try to flatten it and then put the shiny side upwards. Then you're gonna need some type of glue. I use nail glue because it dries quick, but you can use PVA glue. Put glue on half of it and fold it. By the way guys, follow me on TikTok. I don't have any videos yet, but I don't have any followers yet, so go ahead and follow me if you want. I used the pen as a rolling pin and proper flattened it out. Next, cut out a full covered nail. First, make sure it fits perfectly from side to side. Then do the cuticle and shape. By the way guys, in case you didn't know, this is actually a joint account. Basically my sister, she does the filming and I do the voiceover. So I'm just gonna make her say hi to you lot because she's shy. Say it then.
Hi. Hi.
Okay.
After that, I attached them, and to be honest, they weren't that bad. I did apply a top coat to make it nice and shiny, but you can also paint them a different colour if you like. Also, the back of it kind of looked cool because you get the metallic vibe from the foil. But yeah, comment down below any video suggestions. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!